challenge. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use... Okay, I'll give you $10 if you can guess what color this month's challenge is. And also if you come clean my desk. Well, hello. This month at the Rainbow Card Challenge, our color challenge is called Judiciously Jade, which is supposed to be like all sorts of jade type colors. And as I was like organizing my things that I've purchased from the Dollar Tree, as I was doing that, I came across these really pretty and so as today, I was what I'm going to do organizing my things that I've purchased and some pattern paper to create a... I came across these really pretty butterfly stickers that I had gotten there. They're 3D. They're really cool, and I love them. I think that they can be gussied up though. Paper to create a with a black card base to match the black jade card. These beautiful with no sentiment, because then I can use this for anything. So I kind of pulled some liquid pearls and some stickles that might work. I also pulled some cardstock and pattern paper that goes together. And sad note, this is not the Essie Expressie. This is Wet n Wild, fast drying stuff, and it's just not as good. I literally did them yesterday, and I've already got chips going on in big chunks. You see that? I mean, I do like it. It did dry quickly, not as quickly as the Expressie, so there's the update on my nail polish saga. There's the update on my nail polish saga. Anyway, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a nice, like, I don't know what to do here. I'm stuck. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry emboss this, because you know what? I have not dry embossed for a long while. Let's see how this turned out. I feel like that pops a little bit more, but not too much. And I think I am going to give it a black border. Let's just do this thing, shall we? Let's just do this thing. For a long while. And I just got some really cute dry embossing folders in the mail from a friend that I don't know. I found her on Facebook. I was buying something else from her, and she's like, "Do you like dry embossing?" And I was like, "Yeah, I've got a dry embossing machine." And she's like, "Cool, I'll throw these in." So let's see what this looks like if I dry emboss it. And maybe if I... Okay, tell me, you guys, I'm feeling pretty good about this. How are you guys feeling about this? Like, you can even give me any suggestions. This is just a card base. This is not supposed to be that hard. Okay. The whole point is that I want to take these beautiful butterflies from the Dollar Tree and make them even more beautiful, because I feel like the centers of them need a little something more. Also, I just love holographic. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, oh my gosh, finally, card base done. On here. I really do like it. I am glad I kind of added the white down here because some of these butterflies have white on them, and if I choose to use them on the body. And then the real point of this, few little other things, and then I'm going to call this card good because I love that it doesn't have a sentiment. I feel like this could work for so many reasons. It could be a birthday card. It could be a sympathy card. It could be a thinking of you card. It could be an anniversary card, like card base, which I have already prepared. Always add a sentiment inside if I want to. I'm going to take some of these beautiful butterflies that are green, and I'm going to decide use white opal liquid pearls. If I just want one, because I'm kind of thinking do this without damaging the card and crying myself to sleep. And I'm going to gussy up the inside and show you how you can do it so quick and easy. And if you just use one on each card, I mean, this Dollar Tree thing, of that there's 9 of these. You could have 9 separate cards from the holographic. So I was thinking of adding some pearls like in a linear way, but I'm kind of now thinking about doing it in a non-linear way and creating a triangle. Most of you probably know this, but if you create a triangle with your embellishments, it's pleasing to the eye. So month, I promise, but I hope you join us this month at the Rainbow Card Challenge for our Judiciously Jade Challenge. I can't wait to see all your beautiful green makes. And I hope that you grab some of these beautiful embellishments at the Dollar Tree and zhuzh them up a little bit. All right, friends, until next time, hugs and happy card making and crafting. Bye.